Hi guys, here at Newhaven town, level crossing East Sussex with East Sussex level crossings in trainbuddy123. MISUSE! That is loud, seriously. Well, it is.
We can hear it from McDonald's, that's all up there.
Oh, I'm going to catch the middle light. I'll catch the middle light. There she is.
The amber light's pretty short on this crossing though.
Yeah, I
You see it
agree.
approaching the box.
Should we go on a station and see it coming?
The thing is, the one at Newhaven Hub is really coarse, that's why I never do BCDs there. It's like, oh, someone's touched the barrier. It's like, oh, someone's touched the barrier, let's hang around.
Yeah.
Man, that was at the crossing earlier.
Yeah.
When we filmed glass. He was holding on to the skirt, that's what made it swing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I saw him holding it actually. Actually, I'm going to go on the bridge, because why not?
You know one thing, it has a corrugated metal here, it's not going up.
I'm going to stay here actually, it's a good view. Well, Dan, I've got quite a good view from there. I should probably see it. I'll probably see it.
Oh, that's on a yellow signal.
Is it?
Yeah, up there, I'll go back to go. Try not to get my face in the camera, or I'll kill you.
No, alright.
Or I'll shove it in your face.
That's the spring bridge, it's a better view. Oh, wait, okay, she's coming.
Yeah, 3 on 3. Crap.
Again.
Boring. It's annoying. It's boring. Still annoying.
Oh, quite quick.
No, you got 20 mile an hour, you know. Use your operator level crossing up there. Never up there. I've never been to it. There's a chip on. We've got
3 on 3, 213.
3 on 3, 213 to Seaford.
3 on 3, 213 to Seaford.
213 to Seaford.
And takes a while to go up.
It does, always does.
Up they go. Thank you guys for the video.
And
Oh, actually.
thank you guys, I shall see you in the next video.
Thank you guys for the video.